Itinanggi ni Bicol Saro Party List Representative Terry Ridon na may kaugnayan siya kay dating Bulacan 1st District Assistant Engineer Bryce Hernandez. Kasunod yan ang pag-post si Senador Jinggoy Estrada sa social media ng mga yearbook photo ni Ridon at Hernandez. Sinamahan pa niya ito ng caption na "Safe kaya tayo sa kanila?" Pati ilang hashtag tulad ng "Kaya naman pala" at "Investigation or Reunion." Sabi ni Ridon, batchmate sila ni Hernandez noong elementary pero hindi sila naging magkaklase o magkaibigan. Kukonsulta raw siya sa Department of Information, Communications Technology at National Privacy Commission dahil nakita sa litratong ipinost si Estrada ang address ng kanyang lola.
There's no connection with him. No? So I think that needs to be pointed out because more importantly, the more important pictures would be the pictures of him with engineer Henry Alcantara, Yusek Bernardo. Those people worked with his father in the city of Manila. These two personalities are at the epicenter of the Bulacan flood control corruption controversy.
Kapuso, huwag magpapahuli sa latest news and updates. Mag-iuna ka sa balita at mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ng GMA Integrated News.